Hi, my name is Joanna and I'm a slow fashion designer, embroiderer and illustrator. In this episode, I will show you how to embroider a cute frog on a piece of fabric made from old jeans and sew it on the back pocket of pants. Before we start our project, let me explain why it is so important to take care of our jeans and extend their life. When dyeing jeans, heavy metals are used, which poison the water around the factories and causes incurable diseases in their workers. 5,700 liters of water are used to produce the material for one pair of trousers. Cotton is usually grown in countries where water is already scarce, which causes droughts and water shortage for the inhabitants of these regions. You will help to conserve valuable water resources and stop environmental degradation if instead of buying a new pair of pants, you extend their life by sewing a patch over a tear or stain. Oceans, seas, and rivers are interconnected. If toxic substances flow into a river somewhere in the world, sooner or later their harmful effects will reach us if we do not act together. You will find more links to the materials about the environmental impact of jeans production in the description below. I'm also waiting for your comments and opinions. What do you think about that? Okay, let's go to our embroidery project. What will you need? A piece of cotton from old jeans is great, embroidery threads, a needle, a dressmaker pencil, a pair of scissors, and a thimble. First, we need to transfer the embroidery pattern to the fabric. I use the sketch and draw the contour of the frog using a dressmaker pencil. You can see other ways in my free course on the channel. Second step, choose colors. I decided to use only 4 colors, 2 shades of green for the character and black and white for the eyes. But you can choose your favorite colors to make your frog exactly how you want it. You can use your imagination and create the most colorful frog on earth. Third step, embroider. I'm embroidering the contour with black thread. As you can see, it's not very visible, but that's what I meant. I use very simple stitches. You can learn them in my free course available on my channel. I fill in the contour with the green thread. It took me about half an hour. Next, I'm making round eyes with green and adding black and white spots. Fourth step, sewing the patch to the back pocket. As you can see, there are more patches on these pants and I suspect that there will be more in some time. This is the coolest thing about embroidering and extending the life of clothes, that you can add new elements all the time. Okay, let's sew it on. An important step is to pin the patch in the place where you want to sew it. I choose the upper part of the pocket because it will be easier to sew the embroidery to the trousers by hand. I use a zigzag stitch and a thread in the color of the pants to add cohesion to the whole project. Take your time. It's a little bit tricky part of the whole process, but I believe that you can make it. Remember to take the pin out when approaching with a stitch so you don't pinch your fingers. Here's the finished frog patch. I love the final effect. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. In this video, you have learned how to create embroidered patches on jeans. I hope that you make one or more on your pants and you will be an inspiration for your friends. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It will motivate me to create more videos for you. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and creative ideas. Remember that your actions matter. Stay creative and have fun!